So if you want to make money on YouTube without making videos or showing your face, but you don't know where to start or what niche to pick, then this video is most definitely going to be for you. Many people think growing a channel or making money on YouTube is a complicated and long process, and they often get stuck trying to decide which niche will work best and what will make them the most money. But there are many niches and areas that are great to make money in, even if the CPM is a little lower. Ads aren't the only way or even often the main way you can make money from your channel. So it's important to take these factors into account. There are a number of key niches on YouTube that can be considered safe when starting out. And if you stick to these, then you can't really go wrong, even if you're a total beginner. The best niches, in my opinion, are as follows: health, wealth, relationships, mindset or happiness, travel, and technology. These areas get a huge number of views, they are evergreen, they are related to human desires, and they have plenty of sub-niches inside. They check all of the boxes when it comes to building profitable channels. So let's go through that checklist. Number 1, you want to make sure competition channels are continuously getting hundreds of thousands of views on videos. This shows there is enough demand and that videos can go viral. I realize that many niches get plenty of views, but it's an important first requirement to check off the list. Number 2, the niche has a good or high CPM. Some niches like finance, tech, business, and money will always have the highest CPMs. But how can you tell if a niche outside of these areas will have a high CPM? Well, some of this will be down to common sense, but you can tell by simply looking at ads and the types of products that are being offered in this niche. For example, if you're in real estate, then you know the types of products that are on offer are of high value. So companies will be more willing to spend money on ads. If your channel is a lifestyle blog, then this is going to be a more general audience and is unlikely to get targeted high-value ads. So the CPM will be lower. The better the CPM, the more money you will make for every 1,000 views on your channel. Number 3, is there an abundance of products? This works hand in hand with point number 2. You want to be able to add additional revenue streams to your channel as it grows. You can do this by recommending affiliate products, services, physical products, or even online courses. A good place to look for demand would be clickbank.com or Amazon. If there are lots of products for your niche on those sites, then this is a good sign. Number 4, it has an evergreen element. Now, this is not a must, and you could go for trending topics like celebrity news instead. But I personally like to pick niches that at least have an element of evergreen traffic to them. By this, I mean people will still be watching videos for years to come. So even if I stop uploading, I still make money. This won't necessarily be possible for all videos depending on your niche. For example, crypto will have evergreen videos like what is crypto and what is blockchain. But other videos linked to new coins may become irrelevant over time, though they will also benefit from early trending traffic. But the more evergreen videos you have, the more stable views and growth your channel will get. Now, before we get into the channel examples, it's important to pick a sub-niche from the main categories. Being more specific, especially in the beginning, will help you grow. You want YouTube to recommend more of your content to viewers. So the more targeted your channel is, the more likely people are to binge watch your content. With that said, if you would like more in-depth training on exactly how to build a profitable YouTube channel, then check out the links in the video description. Let's start with the health niche. The first channel is called Body Hub. This channel is about health and fitness, and they use simple stock footage videos with voiceover text. These are the simplest and cheapest videos to create. They create videos on weight loss, building muscle, relationships, health, and wellness. They currently get over 1.3 million views per month, and assuming they have a CPM of around $5, they should be making at least $6 per month in ad revenue alone. They don't seem to have any additional revenue streams, which is a big mistake in my opinion. Adding affiliate links to relevant products and services could triple their monthly income. The second channel is called Natural Ways. This is another stock footage video channel with over 1.6 million subscribers. They only focus on health tips and natural remedies. They are currently also generating over 1.3 million views per month and will be making a similar amount of $6,000 in monthly ad revenue. This channel also has no additional revenue streams, so it's solely dependent on ad revenue. If you would like to understand how to quickly create these types of videos using AI tools, then I'll also add some links in the description to other videos and resources. Up next, we have the wealth niche. This niche normally has high CPMs and a wide variety of sub-niches from business, crypto, investing, or even personal finance. Money is a massive part of our daily lives, and we all want to make more. It often has fewer views than niches like health, but a higher average CPM. The first channel is called The Swedish Investor. This channel has nearly 700,000 subscribers and uses whiteboard explainer videos to talk about investing, business, and how to make money. This channel will have a much higher CPM than previous channels, and they are still getting over 1.1 million views per month. It's difficult to say how much they will be making each month, but I would estimate it to be higher than $20,000. This guy has a second income stream with affiliate links to relevant products in some of the video descriptions, but not all. Given the nature of this channel, I would also look to be building a mailing list to market other products and services to. He could also create his own course about investing, and I'm sure many loyal viewers would buy it. The second channel is called Proactive Thinker. This channel has over 8,000 subscribers and uses a combination of animated videos and stock footage. They focus mainly on business and making money, though they have recently switched to more trending topics, no doubt to tap into global market issues currently in the press. They also get over 1.1 million views per month, and I would estimate that they are making over $15,000 in monthly ad revenue. These guys are more professional in terms of monetization. They have affiliate links, sell their own investing course, and also have sponsors for some of their videos. This could easily be doubling or even tripling their monthly income. The next niche is relationships. This is a big niche and one that many beginners go into, as we all know something about it. So it's an easy one to start, though CPMs do tend to be a little lower. The first channel is called Social Psychology Masters. This is a stock footage video channel that covers social psychology and relationship tips for both men and women. They have over 370,000 subscribers, but more impressively, they managed to grow this channel in just over 1 year. This channel now gets over 1 million monthly views, and I would estimate they are making about $5,000 per month in ad revenue, though this could be slightly higher. They also have multiple revenue streams with affiliate links to high-ticket products and email capture pages to build a list to promote more products to. As I have similar channels, I would estimate they are making at least $12,000 to $15,000 per month. The second channel is called Far From Average. This is a larger channel of over 1.5 million subscribers that uses whiteboard-style videos. This channel targets men and topics that are more relevant to a Western audience. For that reason, I believe their CPM will be higher. With over 1.1 million monthly views, I would estimate this channel is making over $10,000 per month, though they don't have any additional revenue streams, so this is their only source of income. The next topic is the mindset or happiness niche. This niche is a great one for evergreen content. A lot of mindset and motivational content is timeless. Humans don't change that much. This is why many personal development books withstand the test of time. The first channel is called School of Life. This is a beast of a channel with over 7.8 million subscribers. It's a very professional channel with great writers and very high quality animation videos. It's a great example of how you can improve your channel as it gets bigger. This channel gets over 6 million views per month and will be making at least $30,000 per month in ad revenue alone. These guys have taken their monetization to the next level, with online classes, courses, books, merchandise, and even an app. They could easily be generating $100,000 to $200,000 per month. This channel is now a full-blown business and brand. The second channel is called Better Than Yesterday. This is a channel about mindset and productivity. They use whiteboard explainer videos, and from what I can tell, it's just one guy who uploads a video every 1 to 2 months. Yet his channel still has nearly 2 million subscribers and is getting over 1.1 million views per month. Not bad for a few videos each year. This channel could be making more than $10,000 per month in semi-passive income. Now imagine if he posted even more videos. As far as I can tell, ad revenue is the only income stream this channel has. The next niche is travel. We all love traveling and going on holiday. And normally, what do you do before planning a trip? You do research. So travel channels get a huge number of views and are massively evergreen. The first channel is called Touropia. This is probably the largest Faceless channel I've come across, at over 1 million subscribers and 4 million views per month. This is just simple stock footage of different locations mixed with a voiceover. It's probably making $20,000 to $25,000 per month in ad revenue. But what's even more impressive is the fact that they only upload one video per month, which is incredible. They do have a website with a few affiliate links, but I doubt this is making much, so ad revenue is still their only real income. The second channel is called World According to Briggs. This channel goes deeper into the culture of different countries and asks questions. It currently has over 800,000 subscribers and gets over 4 million views each month. I would estimate that this channel is getting close to $30,000 per month in ad revenue. Like the last channel, their only real source of income is from ad revenue. The final niche is the technology niche. Often seen as a high CPM niche, it's actually one I tend to avoid as it's difficult to get stock footage to match what you're talking about. You're going to have to use other people's footage, and although reasonable usage is allowed, you are walking into a grey area of reused and repetitive content and can risk not getting monetized. So this is not necessarily a beginner-friendly niche. You need to really repurpose videos to make them original and give credit to the original channels. But it is very profitable and can work with a little know-how, so we're still going to go through some examples. The first channel is Top 10 Zone. This is stock footage video with product videos mashed together. Though this guy is now also starting to do some reviews with his face in it. This channel has over 500,000 subscribers and gets over 1.2 million views per month. This channel could be making over $12,000 per month in ad revenue alone. The benefit of this type of channel is that the people will be interested in the products in the videos and will be interested in buying them. So this channel could be making 2 to 3 times the ad revenue from product sales. This could make the risk of doing this type of channel well worth it, even if there's a chance of getting demonetized. The affiliate income alone will easily replace the lost ad revenue. The second channel is Wonderworld, and like the last channel, they use stock footage and product videos. They have over 1 million subscribers and will also be generating upwards of $10,000 per month. However, they don't seem to be targeting or using affiliate links, which I feel is a missed opportunity. The videos are also about more general future tech, so adding affiliate links would be more difficult anyways. With that said, if you would like more in-depth step-by-step training on building profitable YouTube channels, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the next video.